Boy was fucking with the keyboard. I took it was just that. You know, I just hear things, man. Like whatever intrigues me is like being like a kid in a candy store. Like, man, I make sense out of it. I put shit in context. I'm good at that shit. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I could take any unique. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, that nigga be all over the place. He might not notice. I'm like, shit, I hate trying to recreate something differently because it's not natural.
Yeah.
Like, I'm an organic producer. Like, I just do what I feel and what I'm hearing. I don't try to duplicate it. Oh, that worked. Let me try to do it again. I never. Like, there's producers that's great at that shit, the same sounds for 20 years and make different variations and shit. Like, I just never was definitely different. So it was cool to stand out.